365 Data Science Review. Is it worth it? So hello everyone, so in today's video, I'll be doing a review right here for 365 Data Science. So yeah, without further ado, let us begin. But before we start, there will be a special link in the description below in where you can get discounts when you're going to sign up for a plan for 365 Data Science. Again, there will be a special link in the description below. So yeah, make sure to check it out if you're planning to subscribe to a plan right here for 365 Data Science. So yeah, without further ado, let's begin. So according to Trustpilot over here, 365 Data Science has 4.9 star reviews out of 5, and it has 808 reviews right here, so that ratio is pretty good. So for the overall review right here, it says right here for the review summary that reviewers overwhelmingly had a great experience with this company. They appreciate the well-organized and clear structure of the courses, which makes complex topics easy to understand. The real-world scenarios and examples are particularly helpful, and the structures are praised for their clarity, enthusiasm, and ability to make complex concepts easy to grasp. Customers feel that the courses provide a solid foundation and are valuable for both beginners and those looking to enhance their skills. The platform's technology and app receive positive feedback, with users highlighting the engaging and practical content. The instructions are clear and concise, and the practice sessions and quizzes reinforce learning effectively. Many reviewers express satisfaction with the level of guidance and support provided, noting that it helps them understand their mistakes and improve their skills. Overall, customers highly recommend the courses and express excitement about continuing their learning journey with the company. So yeah, so this is the overall review right here, or the summary of the reviews right here from all the people that have been reviewing 365 Data Science. So yeah, moving on, let's move on to the pricing and plans. So again, if you want to get special discounts for the plans right here, make sure to click on the link in the description below to get those special discounts. So yeah, so 365 Data Science right here has 4 plans. So we have the free plan, the premium monthly, the premium annually, and the business plan. So for the free plan, of course, everything is free. So in the free plan, you'll get 53 hours of video, 264 exercises, downloadables, self-paced lessons, a resume builder, and gamified features. And then for the premium plan right here, which is $19 a month, so this one's the monthly version. So in here, you'll get 308 hours of video, 1,396 exercises, downloadables, self-paced lessons, a resume builder, gamified features, a leaderboard, career tracks, exams, certificates, new content, a resume feedback, portfolio advice, and personalized support. So yeah, moving on is the premium annual. So this one is their best price right here, and it is cheaper than the premium monthly plan. So in here you can save 20% off, and it costs around $15.25. So the features are just the same on the premium monthly plan. And then lastly, for the business plan over here, it has a custom price. So this one is for corporate training tailored to your team's size and needs. So if you're planning to get the business plan right here for your team or for training employees, you can request a demo right here. And then the features are also the same or similar with the previous plans right here, but it has an admin dashboard, subscription management, certificates, task management, advanced reporting, data export, dedicated support, priority onboarding, access to talents, gamified features, and a leaderboard. So yeah, so this plan right here is very suited for businesses and for teams of large sizes. So yeah, so that's pretty much it, the review right here for 365 Data Science. So again, there will be a special link in the description below if you want to avail for these discounted plans right here. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.